Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install OpenCode CLI on Windows. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. So at first you have to go to the browser and you have to go for the OpenCode CLI. So go for the OpenCode CLI, hit enter, and here you will find a GitHub link. If you search here GitHub, if you search this, then you will find a GitHub link at the top. Here you can see Anomaly Co. Okay, so go there. And if you open it, you will find here all the installation process. If you scroll a little bit down, here you can see we have OpenCode image here, and here we have the installation process. Now, if you're from Linux, you can actually go with this command. Just copy this and go to the terminal from the Linux and then paste it. And then OpenCode will actually open in your PC. But let's say if you are from Windows, then you can actually go with this one, this command. So here you can see we have npm. It means we need to download Node.js in our PC. So go to the CMD, and say node-v to check that if you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. So you can see you got the version here. It means I have installed Node.js in my PC. In your case, if you don't see this, you have to install Node.js. Very simple. Just go to the browser and search for Node.js and click here download. You have to select any version. Let's say the current version is 25. I will suggest you to go with the long-term support version. So select any long-term support version. Scroll a little bit down, you will find .msi. So download this and install it in your PC. And then if you go for the CMD and if you type here node-d, you will get the version. It means now you have set Node.js globally in your PC. All done. Now we'll go for this link, and here we will actually copy this npm i -g OpenCode -ai at latest. If you don't find this space, don't worry, just copy this, okay? npm i -g OpenCode -ai at latest. So copy this and go to the command prompt cmd and run it as administrator -ts. Right click on it to paste it. Here you can see, and hit enter to install this. I already installed it in my PC. What you have to do, you have to just hit enter to install it, and then you have to log in through your account. If you don't have any open AI account, you just have to create an account. So don't worry, just install it and it will actually show all the process step by step. Now I will show you that how OpenCode actually look like. So I will say here OpenCode. When you actually install it completely, you can actually remove this command prompt and reopen it. Okay, go for command prompt, and then you can actually say here OpenCode, hit enter. So OpenCode will be open here. Here you can see you got the OpenCode. Now I will show you how you can actually use OpenCode CLI. So this is called OpenCode CLI, command line interface. Now actually I don't want to create my project here. I want to create my project in a specific folder. So in the desktop I'm going to create my folder, and here I'm going to say it as OpenCode -project. So this is my project directory. I will go inside this project and I will open command prompt here. So just click here in the address bar and type cmd and hit enter. And here we are going to say OpenCode to open OpenCode. Okay, you just have to write down OpenCode and hit enter. And now currently we are in this directory, right? So our project will be created here. Now you can actually create any project what you actually want to keep. So I'm going to actually show you the very simple project. I will say that create index file, where it will actually show us a portfolio set. Okay, so I will say an index.html file where CSS will be added, carry no.css file, stack should inside index file. It will be a portfolio site, portfolio website. If needed, add a JavaScript file, this file, to make my project realistic. Hit enter, and it will actually go for all the process. Here you can see Like I say, I will create a portfolio website with inline CSS and optimal JavaScript for interactivity. So we have to wait for some time and it will actually create our project. Now it will actually depends how big the project actually you want to create. Let's say you want to create Laravel project. So it will take maybe more than 1 hour. If you want to actually make a PHP website, it will take not more than 10 minutes. So it depends, and also it depends on your PC spaces. Maybe it's showing all the steps, right? It's all the steps. So you can see the website is ready to use. So just open the index.html file. Now you can actually minimize it, and then we'll go to the project directory, and here you can see we got index.html. Now I'll open this. Here you go. This is my portfolio website and it's working perfectly. You can see if I click on the about, it will go for the about section. If I click on the project, it will go for the project section. If I click on contact, it will go for the contact us form. Form validation is also there, right? There you can see. One thing is, this is totally free, OpenCode CLI, and you don't have to pay for it also. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.